We're going in 3020 North 23rd Street in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Property started restoration. It is already gutted, which is great. Got a little dent up there. Ceiling's really tall. That's nice, it's in good shape there. Coming back into what would be the dining room. I don't see any issues on the ceiling. Oh, a little bit of water from a long time ago. Walk back into the kitchen. There's a hallway to go up and down. Kitchen sink is out. Well, that's what that picture was. Okay. Stove. That's the whole kitchen. Side door. And closet area, pantry. I'm gonna go close this front door behind me. So then be the front bedroom. I don't see any issues with the ceiling. This would be then the bathroom. Okay, bathroom is off the kitchen. It's fully gutted out. Work's been done for you. Needs a new window. Upstairs. Small office type room in the back. A little bit of repair there. Window looks like it needs a teeny bit of work. It's a closing door, so that can be a bedroom. This could be a nice little office area. Bunch of ventilation. Probably some critters. Closet. Oh, there's definitely critters in here. Critter poop. And front bedroom. So it's, yeah, 3 bedroom, 1 bath. We're ready for finishing. Thanks for looking.